Michelin's focus on helping lower your total cost of ownership continues with the new Michelin X1 Line Energy T2 tire. This is our most fuel-efficient trailer tire. In a perfect world, every truck has a full payload, but this isn't a perfect world. Payloads vary daily, and this load variation greatly affects trailer tire wear with traditional casings. In fact, many trailer tires don't offer the removal miles they should. Long-haul trailer tires are naturally more subject to irregular wear than any other wheel position, whether they're duals or wide-base single tires. The lighter the payload, the more inconsistent the tire's contact is with the road, and the more uneven wear, until now. The new Michelin X1 Line Energy T2 wide-base single tire is designed for improved tread wear while providing fuel and weight savings to lower your total cost of ownership. Features of the new Michelin X1 Line Energy T2 tire include Infinicoil technology. As with all X1 tires, a quarter-mile of continuous steel cable is wrapped around the casing to help eliminate casing growth and maintain a consistent footprint for long mileage, no matter how large or small the payload. The new tread design includes directional microsipes and robust solid shoulders to help reduce irregular wear. New innovative BEAD rubber is designed to improve resistance to damage when dismounting. Matrix sipes located on the 3 center ribs are designed with interlocked zigzag walls to provide a stable tread block for squirm resistance. The Michelin X1 Line Energy T2 tire is designed to deliver both fuel savings and improved resistance to irregular wear. In addition, as with all X1 tires, you can carry more payload because of the lower combined weight of the X1 tires and wheels versus dual tires and wheels. Michelin is willing to back this up with a total satisfaction guarantee. You can be confident this tire will perform. Learn more at MichelinTruck.com.